Reese Pieces or them Lifesaver gummies.
Alright, you said it. Now I'm gonna make it, and you're gonna get them. Lifesavers and Reese Pieces coasters. Watch how I customize these for him. Alright, so here I'm just pouring my resin in, and then we're gonna demold them, and this is so satisfying. Demolding and finishing, yes please. Alright, just enjoy. Enjoy. I was so scared that these were gonna melt. I didn't take any precautions with these at all. I just freaking poured. Alright, we're going to get any inconsistencies out of these so that way they are prepped for finishing, like so. And wipe off all your dust, and I'm gonna customize these. Not only am I gonna brand them, but I'm also gonna brand them for him. Happy dance. Alright, so because he goes by Midget Mafia OG, I customized this with the Godfather text, and I'm not sending these out without them being branded. No, sir. I really like the way it came out. This is satisfying too. Look at that. Do you want to see a reveal? I couldn't really get one because they were still wet and I can't touch them or move them. But they're dry now, and I'm on my way home. So if you want a reveal, drop a comment, and we can make that happen. Look at these. These turned out super cute. Links in bio. If you want to grab some of your own or get a custom order, hit me up. These turned out nice. I really like these. Thanks for the collab, bro.